If you forgot your Gmail password and need to get back into your account, this video will walk you through the full reset process step by step. Whether you're locked out, you can't remember your login details, or you just want to update your password for security, this guide will help you do it quickly and safely. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, go to the Google account recovery page. You can type in accounts.google.com/signin/recovery or simply use the link in the description if that is easier for you. This is the official Google recovery page, and it is the safest place to start when you need to reset a Gmail password. When the page loads, you'll see a field asking for your email address or phone number. Enter the Gmail address that you want to recover, then click Next. Make sure you type the email correctly, because even a small typo can send you to the wrong account recovery flow. After that, Google will begin the verification process. Depending on your account settings, Google may ask you to confirm your identity in a few different ways. You might be asked to verify with a phone number, a recovery email address, or another trusted device where you are already signed in. This step is important because Google wants to make sure it's really you for allowing any password changes. Follow each verification step carefully. If Google sends a code to your phone or recovery email, check the message, copy the code, and enter it on the screen. If you receive a prompt on another device, tap yes or approve the request there. If Google asks a security question or asks you to confirm recent account activity, answer as accurately as possible. The goal here is simply to prove account ownership. If the first method doesn't work, don't worry. Google may show alternative options, so keep following the prompts until you find one that you can complete. Sometimes it will offer different recovery methods depending on what information is available on your account. If you still have access to your recovery email or phone number, that usually makes the process much easier. Once Google confirms your identity, you'll be allowed back into your account. At that point, you can go ahead and set a new Gmail password. After you're logged in, open your Google account settings. From there, go to Settings, then Manage your Google account, then click Security and find the password section. When you open the password option, Google will ask you to sign in again one more time for security. This is normal, so just follow the prompt, then enter your new password in the first field and re-enter it in the second field to confirm it. Make sure your new password is strong, unique, and something you haven't used before. A good password should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. After typing the new password twice, click Change Password. Once you do that, the update should be saved immediately. At this point, your Gmail password has been reset, and you can use the new password to sign in on your devices. If you were signed in on other phones, tablets, or computers, you may need to enter the new password there as well. That's completely normal after a password change. It's also a good idea to check your recovery email address and phone number while you're in your Google account, just to make sure they're still up to date. That will make future account recovery much easier if you ever need it again. And that's it. You've now learned how to reset your Gmail password using Google's official recovery process. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.